Tiap, hayang nga, hayang. Say trick or treat to. Mas, go to the lady ka. Say trick or treat to. Sila, patom ni.
This is trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Go there, go there. Thank you, ma'am. Come on, go to another. Sila, pakupta mo na eh. Call ko, trick or treat mo na po.
Ma'am, say apelido sa
David.
D-A-V-I-D. Ang pangalan, ma'am. Thank you.
You want crayons? And
Later na lang.
you want, mama, dali. You want to color?
Mga sa
You want
candy
to
sa...
color?
Paano sa candy sa...
Ano, may asa ta candy. Mama, i-wear na lang. I-wear lang.
Asa mo kayo manay? Ha? Ano siya? Patutugin na, umray sa mga tag.
Nood ka na lagi sila.
Ano, inakuto mo? Ha?
Nood ka na sila.
Try.
Uy. Itchy? You can wear it later. You can wear it later. Ha?
Yan siya. Yan, candy. Power check me. Oh, super mini na yung candies po.
Don't have to put it.
Ha?
What?
How many candies now? Ay, bigas na eh, Binchon.
Do we need more candies? We need more candies daw, Papa.
Diyan, siya.
Nagibigyan lagi.
Come on, bring it. Are you tired now?
No.
Do you want to eat? Are you hungry?
No, no, please.
No, so may remaining candies now. Oh, wait, see, if you want this one. What number is your badge?
2.
105.
105. Can you put my hat? Mama, can you put it down? Papa, can you carry you, please?
Kailan nagdigyan naman eh?
Please?
Pwede ko, hindi ko.
Papa.
Is the dinosaur tired now?
No, I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Yeah.
You're just sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy and tired. I'm feeling okay.
Okay. Then why are you asking for Carrie?
Wala siguro take out that dili.
Come on, Mama.
Yeah.
Sleep, Mama.
Trick or treat, baby. Ito na ka gelatin mo. Sina. What do you say? Okay. What do you say? Put your bucket. What do you say? Let's go.
Papa. Look, Mama, here.
Trick or treat collection.
1/4 are already eaten by Papa. 1/4.
Sitting now the trick or treat candies. What do you say to the camera?
Thank you.
Thank you, SM.
Thank you, SM.